Hey guys, Dave here, and we're on location of this entire home transformation. You've been watching this house. This was the ranch. We've been working on it for almost 2 weeks now. We have just about all the utilities installed on the inside. Now the windows are on order, and the doors, we're going to be putting them in shortly. But right now we just arrived on site. I want to show you around a little bit on the inside. Okay, here it is. This is the ranch conversion transformation. Take a look at how nice this is coming along. We had all the decorative stone put on across the front, beautiful columns, lots of windows, lots of curb appeal, and once we get the windows and doors installed, this place is going to be set for the siding, and it's really going to wrap up the outside here. It's going to look amazing. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so we just walked in, and take a look at the big open foyer here, 18-foot with a balcony going across from the second floor looking down. This is an open floor plan as we look across here. Now we have all the utilities being installed right now: electric, plumbing, HVAC, the fire, just about everything's in place. Look at the big open area. This used to be a living room over here, then you had a bedroom, bathroom, 2 more bedrooms in the back there. Let's take a quick look. I opened the whole kitchen up all the way across here. This family wanted an open floor plan. They wanted the kitchen coming out, connecting, and being a nice open flow. And as we look through here, it's all open from the front door all the way through here. They're going to have a beautiful island peninsula with the kitchen all wrapped in this area over here. We redesigned the layout in the coming in off the garage. So as you come in through the garage, there's going to be an entryway into a mud room over here, and then there's an archway that leads you into the kitchen, or open up a door, go down to the basement. And take a look as you walk in here, all this space. Now we put in a brand new staircase over here, big size closet, coat closet. Over here we kept the bathroom, and we're going to be remodeling the bathroom. And this used to be 2 bedrooms, which we opened up. You can see there used to be a wall over here. We put a raised header in, and look at all the space here. It's going to be a beautiful family area all the way through here. Let's go upstairs, and if you look from this end all the way to the other, we put a whole second floor atop what we're standing on in right now. Let's go up there. This family hired my company, Pangione Developers. They wanted a turnkey package. They didn't want any issues. One person to take care of the whole transformation of their home. We took care of the plans, right now the build, and it's one call, one contractor. We handle everything. Let me show you this floor plan. Guys, we just came up the staircase. This is 3 beds, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry. This is a brand new staircase. And as you get to the top of the stairs, there's a sitting area here looking down to the first floor. There'll be a big window here. And as you get up here, there's, again, 3 beds, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry. I'm going to turn the camera over here. We have 2 bedrooms split down the middle. 1 bedroom here, another bedroom over here. Great size closets. You can see already the HVAC, the electric, the plumbing, everything is in. We're less than 2 weeks right now. It's a week and a half since we took the roof off. Now over here, straight ahead, is a full-size bathroom. It has a Jack and Jill door into this particular bedroom. And as we turn, we're going to have a laundry over here with the washer dryer. The sub panels also here. We have attic access. And as we turn, everything from this wall over is the master bedroom, bathroom suite. And when we get in there, we have a raised ceiling. We also have 3 large windows. All the electric is in place. A walk-in closet, a bigger walk-in closet. And then over here in this corner, we have the master bathroom suite, which will have a soak tub over here right under a awning window. We have a large 6-foot vanity over here, toilet, another window. And then look at the size of this shower that's going to be situated over in this corner here. A whole custom shower. It's going to have a rain head coming out of the ceiling, a wall handheld, and it's just a great layout for this family. So if your family's interested in an entire home transformation in New Jersey, give us a call. I'm Dave Pangione. My company is Pangione Developers. You can see us online. You can go to our video channel, which is Remodeling HQ. Again, Remodeling HQ. HQ stands for headquarters. It's on YouTube, and you can see over 1,000 major home transformation videos, all filmed on location in New Jersey. You can see our website at bergencountycontractors.info. And if you want to reach me direct, give us a call, 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. One call, one contractor. We handle everything, turnkey packages for you and your family. Again, our number is 201-774-3733. 201-774-3733. I look forward to hearing from you. Again, I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks.